Have you ever wondered what's happening in the miniature world around us? The one we can't see with the naked eye? Well, grab your lab coats because today we're diving deep into the hidden movements of everyday organisms, under the microscope, revealing a world we never notice. We often go about our day, oblivious to the bustling activity happening right under our noses. From the water we drink to the air we breathe, it's teeming with life, much of it invisible to us. But with a little magnification, a whole new universe unfolds. Let's start with a classic pond water. A single drop can be a microcosm of life. Under a microscope, you'll find it's not just water, it's a vibrant ecosystem. Tiny creatures like paramecium with their little hair-like structures called cilia dart around. Then there are the amoebas, slowly stretching and changing shape as they move. These aren't just static images. They're living, breathing organisms on a constant journey. But it's not just pond water. Consider the dust on your desk. It might seem harmless, but under the lens, you can find tiny mites, bacteria, and other microscopic wonders. They might be eating dead skin cells, or maybe even interacting with each other, creating an intricate community we never knew existed. Even in the food we eat, there's a secret world. Take a look at a piece of bread. You'll see yeast working hard, converting sugars into carbon dioxide, making the bread rise. Or consider the bacteria that help make yogurt and cheese, transforming milk into delicious treats. The movements here are more subtle, but equally important, showcasing life at a molecular level. Now, let's look at the plant kingdom. The leaves of a plant hold a secret universe too. Inside the cells, you can observe chloroplasts moving around. These organelles are responsible for photosynthesis, and their dance ensures that the plant is getting the sunlight it needs to survive. These movements aren't random. They are driven by the needs of the organism, the environment, and the basic principles of life survival and reproduction. Each movement is a story, a struggle, a celebration of life on a scale we rarely appreciate. So what's the takeaway? The world is full of hidden wonders, waiting to be discovered. Microscopes reveal a new reality, where everything is constantly moving, interacting, and adapting. This unseen world is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. So next time you're bored or just curious, consider the tiny universe that surrounds you. You might just be surprised by what you find. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.